I believe there are several dairy products that have very good qualities for your stomach.
Yeah. Yogurt, kimchi. I'm having a hard time thinking of any others. Yeast. Mm-hmm. So probiotics are very good for your stomach, as you mentioned. Mm-hmm. So kimchi, actually, kimchi is great for the gut.
That's very true.
That's a good sentence. Kimchi is great for the gut. G-U-T. Kimchi is great for the gut. How would I say that in Korean?
김치는 위장에 아주 좋아요.
Just a moment. One more time.
김치는 위장에 아주 좋아요.
김치는 위장에 아주 좋아요.
Yes.
김치는 위장에 아주 좋아요.
That's correct.
Kimchi is great for the gut. Yeah, that's very important. Good for your health. Mm-hmm. It's very interesting to me, though, because I do know, now there's a little bit of a serious note here, the cases of stomach cancer in Korea are actually pretty high.
I believe that's because of the high intake of sodium.
Well, kimchi has a lot of sodium. Mm-hmm. So kimchi itself is great for the gut.
Yes.
But kimchi can kill you.
Everything is good to a moderation.
Well,
if you drink too much water, you can also drown. You also cannot live without water, so you have to always draw the line.
I see. So a proper amount of kimchi is great for the gut.
Always.
A little bit too much,
and you'll die.
Game over. Okay, I see. So it's not the kimchi that hurts your stomach.
No.
It's the salt.
Yes.
The sodium in the kimchi that hurts your stomach. Okay, I get that. Yeah. But again, people always say too much sodium, too much salt is not good for you. But I've got an interesting story for you. In the Himalaya mountains, there are people who don't live in modern conditions. They survive on drinking glacial water, which is actually not even very clear. It's cloudy because it has a lot of minerals and whatnot. They drink a special kind of tea. The tea is comprised of hot water, butter, and salt. There you go.
I'm not sure if I could enjoy that.
A big chunk of butter, blah, in the hot water, melt it, put a lot of salt, drink that, and a lot of cups, maybe 6 or 7 or 10 cups a day.
Oh, wow.
And here's the thing. They live to be 90 years old, 100 years old, 110 years old. How about that?
I'm sure they don't have any fast food that they drink with this tea.
Fast food. We'll talk about that another day. Well, son, thanks a lot for your information about kimchi.
Thank you too, Dad.
I enjoyed the conversation. All right, good. Well, I hope you have some delicious kimchi for your dinner tonight.
You too.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everybody, for listening. Don't forget, share this podcast with your friends. We appreciate it very much. Thanks a lot for listening to Father and Son. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Review Time. Oh, today's sentences. Can you remember? Number 1. What's your go-to kimchi? Try it. What's your go-to kimchi? Great. Sentence number 2. How do you get your kimchi? How do you get your kimchi? Great. Sentence number 3. Kimchi is great for the gut. Kimchi is great for the gut. All right, good job, everybody. See you next time.